Let's have a look at the syntax. This is the first case. Now let's look into a simple program for checking whether a number is odd or even. I am using some new commands and function here which I will explain at the end of this video. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's execute the program. So this is our output. Now this is the second case. Now let's look into a simple program to find the maximum number out of 3 different numbers. Let's execute the program. So this is our output. Now let's understand the various commands used in the program. What is the role of setVerifyOff? Here is the output of the program used in the first example. First we have not used setVerifyOff, and then we have used setVerifyOff. Carefully look the difference. Now have a look at the other commands and functions.